In this video, I will show you how to reset YouTube recommendations. So there's actually a few things you can do to reset YouTube recommendations. So let's get straight into it and go through all the different things that you can do. What I'm going to do first is open up youtube.com, and what's going to happen, YouTube recommendations, basically there's a algorithm within YouTube. On your YouTube home screen, all these videos that are being suggested and recommended are based on your previous watch history. So any videos that you've watched, YouTube's going to recommend you videos based on your previous videos that you've watched. So of course the YouTube home screen is going to look different for everyone. So there's a couple of things you can do. So for example, if there's a channel that you don't want to be recommended, for example, let's take this one for example, what you're going to do is just scroll over the video and you're going to get these three dots pop up. So you just want to give that a click and you'll see it's going to say don't recommend channel. So you can actually click this to stop recommending videos from that particular channel, or what you can also say is not interested. So if you've got, for example, cooking videos come up and you're not really interested in cooking videos, then if you click onto the not interested button here, it's going to pick that up and it's going to stop recommending videos based on cooking. So if you want to completely reset your YouTube recommendations, then another thing you can do is actually come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto history. What it's going to do is bring up a list of your watch history, so videos you've watched. And what you can do from here is come to the right hand side and click onto this clear all watch history button. What it's going to do is completely clear your watch history, and of course YouTube's going to have nothing to recommend videos to you based upon. You can also pause your watch history, so again that's going to help with YouTube recommendations because it's again not going to have anything to go on to recommend you new videos. Or you can just go through and cancel each one of these. If you're not interested in sort of motivational videos, you would just simply come across and click the cross like so to remove these from your watch history. But if you want to completely reset, then just come across and click onto the clear all watch history, and then after that click onto the pause watch history to completely stop YouTube recommendations. Another thing you can do in addition to this if you want to is actually clear your cookies and history from your internet browser. Of course, click the three dots if you're on Google Chrome in the top right hand corner, come across to history, and then you just want to go and close and delete all your history. Again, YouTube can use this to recommend videos to you, so that might be worth trying as well if you want to. So there's a couple of things you can do. I hope this video does help you out, and if it did, then be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube, then make sure you click the on-screen prompt, and that's going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.